In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Excel file to your Google Calendar. If you're like many of us, juggling multiple spreadsheets and a busy calendar can sometimes feel like a bit of a balancing act. But no worries, there's a way to integrate these two tools, so let's dive right into the process, which is straightforward and easy to follow. To start, you'll need to save your Excel file in a specific format. You'll want to save it as a CSV file. This stands for comma separated values, and it's a format that Google Calendar can understand more easily than the typical Excel format. In your Excel workbook, go to File, then Save As, and in the drop down list you'll see the option to save as a CSV. This step is crucial because it essentially breaks down your information into a simple text form, making it much more calendar friendly. Once you've saved your file, the next step is to open up your Google Calendar, head over to your web browser and navigate to your Google Calendar page. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to do that. Look up at the top right corner and you'll see an icon that looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that, and from the menu that drops down, select Settings. Now that you're in the settings, take a look on the left side of the screen. You'll find several options there, but what we're looking for is Import and Export. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. On this page, you'll have the option to import your CSV file directly into your Google Calendar. Find the button that says Select File from your computer and give it a click. A window will pop up allowing you to browse through your files, locate the CSV file that you created earlier with your Excel data. Once you've found it, select it and then press Open. With the file now selected, you're almost at the finish line. Take a moment just to double check that everything looks right. When you're ready, go ahead and hit Import. Google Calendar will take a few moments to process your file, and then it should bring in all of your events or appointments from the CSV file. By following these steps, you've successfully exported your Excel data to Google Calendar. It's as simple as that. This integration can save you a lot of time and effort. You can now enjoy having all your data neatly organized in one place and keep track of everything easily. Remember, whenever you make updates to your Excel, just repeat this process to export your new data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.